So trying to find good audio on a budget can be incredibly hard. Fortunately, it looks like Deity has done it again with their V.Lav mic. Hey guys, it's Luke, and today we'll be taking a look at the Deity V.Lav mic. So right out of the box, we get a nice hardshell carrying case, the mic itself, and an extra mic cover with a windscreen. Now, the V.Lav mic has a frequency response rate of 50 Hz to 20 kHz, which is actually very flat. Basically what that means is that the audio received is going to more accurately sound like the source because of that flat response rate. Now this is very good because a lot of lav mics in this price range usually have a much more variable response rate, which affects the overall sound quality. Now everything that you are hearing is coming directly from the V.Lav mic. It is here clipped onto my shirt and going directly into the Panasonic G7 with the internal gain set to about 0. There's no external settings on the actual mic, it's just plug and play, and the audio coming from it is actually really good. Something that's very cool about the V.Lav is that it can be used on a variety of devices including smartphones as well as laptops because of that smart TRS 3.5mm connector. Now it is powered by two LR41 cell batteries that last for quite a long time, but if you need to, you can pick these up as these are fairly common and very affordable. So now we're going to do a few tests of the V.Lav mic outside. This will include a series of different scenarios on a variety of different devices. Alright, so here is an audio test of the Deity V.Lav mic. It is plugged directly into my Panasonic G7 with the gain in set at about 0 for the internal settings, and there's no settings for the mic itself because it's just plug and play. Now right now it is sitting currently on my shirt right here, and the windsock is on, as you can see. This is just to help prevent some of the outside noise that you'll be hearing from the wind and other things. Now there is a road right behind me, so I'm not entirely sure if you're picking up on those cars, but hopefully the lav mic will just pick up directly what's in front of it. So now we're going to do the same test with the windsock off, and then we're going to do another test with a smartphone camera. Alright, so here is another audio test of the Deity V.Lav mic. It is currently sitting right here on my shirt, and there is no windsock this time. Again, the settings on the G7 are set to 0 for the gain, and there's no settings for the mic itself because it's just plug and play. There's no cars right now behind me, as you can hear, but there might be one coming. So maybe you are hearing that, maybe you're not. Hopefully the V.Lav mic is picking up what's directly in front of it. So now we're going to do this again one more time with a smartphone. Alright, so future Luke here. This is just an audio test of the Deity V.Lav mic plugged into my iPhone 8 Plus. Unfortunately, it looks like it didn't work with my OnePlus 7 Pro. It's probably not supported yet, but as you can see, it's probably picking up some of the background noise from my computer as it did in most of the video. But for the most part, it's a really clean source of audio. It could do a little bit better on the treble end, but for the most part, it's very clean, and I'm very impressed with the level of quality considering it's just plug and play. So what do I think about the V.Lav mic? Well, as you can clearly see and hear, the V.Lav mic is a very solid lav mic. It doesn't pick up too much noise from the outside while still giving you a very clean audio source. Now, I'll admit at first I wasn't so sure how good the mic would be, but now I'm thoroughly impressed. I haven't used too many lav mics, but from the ones I have used, I can definitely see how good the V.Lav mic is for this price range. Honestly, you'd be hard pressed to find a mic of this caliber for under $50. However, if lav mics aren't your speed, Deity has some great shotgun mics. In fact, I just did a review of their D3 Pro, so if you haven't seen that video, make sure to check it out. But if you need an affordable lav mic that's going to sound really good, then look no further as the Deity V.Lav mic fits the bill. Alright, well that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thanks again to Deity for sending this out to me. Anything else you'd like me to know, leave it in the comments below. This is Luke with Techno Minute, and until next time, peace!